Welcome to the channel. The Toyota Corolla Cross has quickly become one of the most popular compact SUVs on the market, and now the 2027 model is here with fresh updates that make it even more attractive for families, commuters, and first-time SUV buyers. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines practicality, efficiency, modern technology, and Toyota's legendary reliability, the new Corolla Cross deserves a closer look. From the very first glance, the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross looks more refined and confident than before. Toyota has given the front fascia a cleaner and more modern appearance, featuring a redesigned grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more sculpted bumper design. The updated styling gives the compact SUV a stronger road presence, while maintaining the approachable character that Corolla buyers have loved for years. Along the sides, the Corolla Cross continues to offer a balanced and athletic profile. New wheel designs and updated exterior colors help give the SUV a more premium feel. The body lines are sleek and purposeful, creating an appearance that is both sporty and practical. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights and subtle styling enhancements complete the fresh look, making the 2027 model feel more sophisticated than its predecessor. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the improvements made throughout the cabin. Toyota has focused on comfort, convenience, and technology, creating an interior that feels more upscale while remaining functional. High-quality materials can be found across the dashboard and door panels. While improved seating provides greater comfort for long drives, the centerpiece of the cabin is the updated infotainment system. A larger touchscreen display offers quicker responses, sharper graphics, and seamless smartphone integration through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Drivers will also appreciate the available digital instrument cluster, which delivers important vehicle information in a modern and easy-to-read format. Passenger space remains one of the Corolla Cross's strongest advantages. Both front and rear occupants enjoy comfortable seating, while the generous cargo area provides plenty of room for groceries, luggage, sports equipment, and everyday essentials. Fold down the rear seats, and the available storage space becomes even more impressive, making the Corolla Cross a versatile companion for busy lifestyles. Under the hood, the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross continues to prioritize efficiency and reliability. Toyota is expected to offer an updated gasoline engine along with an advanced hybrid option. The standard powertrain delivers smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for daily commuting and long-distance travel alike. For buyers seeking maximum efficiency, the hybrid model is likely to remain a standout choice. Combining electric assistance with a fuel-efficient gasoline engine, the hybrid version offers impressive mileage while maintaining responsive performance. The available all-wheel drive system provides additional confidence in rain, snow, and challenging road conditions, making the Corolla Cross suitable for a wide range of environments. Safety continues to be a major priority. The 2027 Corolla Cross comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert help enhance driver confidence and passenger protection on every journey. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross is expected to remain highly competitive within the compact SUV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of around $28,000 for base models, while well-equipped trims and hybrid versions could reach the mid-$30,000 range, depending on options and packages. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Corolla Cross delivers exactly what many buyers want from a modern compact SUV. It offers attractive styling, a comfortable and technology-rich interior, efficient performance, strong safety features, and excellent value for money. Whether you're upgrading from a sedan, purchasing your first SUV, or simply looking for dependable transportation, the new Corolla Cross continues to prove why it remains one of Toyota's most important vehicles.